This video shows how to connect the heat pump to the network and register it for remote access via the myUplink online portal or the myUplink app. myUplink currently works with Luxtronic 2.1 control and software v3, where software version 3.89 or higher must be installed. Other devices with Luxtronic control can be controlled remotely via the Heat Pump 24 portal and/or the Alpha Control app. Connecting to the home network. The heat pump is connected to the home network using a shielded network cable. Insert the plug of the network cable into the left socket of the heat pump controller. For registering and controlling the heat pump, either the myUplink online portal or the corresponding app for tablet or smartphone can be used. To register via the web portal, go to www.myuplink.com. At the top, the preferred language can be selected. To create a new user account, click on the appropriate button, enter the email address and a suitable password including repetition, and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Then click on Next. Now enter your personal data, then click on Next here as well. The system will now send a confirmation email to the specified address. To finish the registration, click on the confirmation link. To use the myUplink app for registration, download it, open it, and tap the registration button there. The creation of the user account is then identical to the online portal. Activating remote maintenance on the heat pump. To access the remote maintenance functions, navigate in the heat pump controller via Service, Settings, System Settings to Remote Maintenance, and set this to Yes. Then confirm with the check mark at the bottom. Registering heat pump in myUplink. In the Service menu, navigate to Control Panel, Remote Maintenance, myuplink.com, then select Register Unit. The serial number of the device and a connection string valid for 60 minutes are now displayed. Both are required for registering the device with myUplink and should be noted. If the serial number has not yet been stored in the heat pump, it must be entered here. You will find it on the type plate of the heat pump. Important here, for heat pumps installed outdoors, please read the type plate on the outdoor unit. For heat pumps installed indoors, please read the type plate on the heat pump. To register via the online portal, log in with email address and password at myuplink.com. Then select Add System. Now enter the serial number and connection string and confirm. Then information about the device, such as name and location, can be entered. After confirming below, the heat pump should be detected and displayed via the internet. It is even easier via the myUplink app. While the connection string is shown on the heat pump controller, turn the dial to the right to display a QR code. Now open the app and log in with your email address and password. Then select Add System, and then scan the QR code. Now the QR code on the heat pump display can be scanned with the smartphone camera. This will automatically transfer the serial number and connection string to the app. After that, the data for the heat pump can be entered. Then the connection is established. If there are problems with scanning the QR code, the data can also be entered manually. To do this, select Add System in the app. Then find Connected Devices. Then select Manual Entry, and then enter connection details. The serial number and connection string need to be entered then, and the registration is carried out as shown previously. Setting the timer mode. myUplink offers new comprehensive timer programs. To be able to use these on the heat pump, select Settings in the myuplink.com menu on the device. Change the timers from traditional to event. Mind that previously created timers or blocking times in the heat pump lose their validity. Enable remote maintenance for installers. Our remote maintenance portal, Heat Pump 24, can provide installers with extensive technical information about your heat pump, so that they can help quickly if necessary or identify optimization potential. Via myUplink, you can provide your installer with remote access to your device. To do this, select System at the top and then System Profile. Then select Security at the bottom. Enter the email address of your installer and select Heat Pump 24 under Security Level. Read and confirm the information text and click on Invite. Your installer will now receive an email with a link to add your system to his Heat Pump 24 account and can then access your device online at any time. With the user overview in your myUplink account, you stay in control and can enable other users to connect to your heat pump via myUplink or Heat Pump 24, or disconnect them again at any time.